friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So in the next session, I want to let you know in the next session what you are going to see. You are going to learn Razor Pay. When you click on the pay button, the Razor Pay page will be loaded. So it will be online payment. So you will learn this in the menu of the mobile application. Payment functionality is there, so I have added payment functionality in Xamarin Form to Razor Pay. Okay, and in another session you will learn calendar scrollable. I also in previous video I have added the calendar and time control, but I have added the control here button here to move to scroll to the next date or next time. So I have come with the scrollable calendar. I remove all the button. Okay, now you can scroll the calendar. Okay, you can scroll time. So in the next two video you will learn the calendar control and the Razor Pay. Okay, please let me know if you want to learn this, then I will upload the video as soon as possible. Thank you.